Lesson 26. Now this letter looks just like a backwards R, right?
Toys R Us, yes.
So Sergey, tell us a bit about this letter and how we can use it in pronunciation.
So this letter is pronounced ya. It's another example of a not pure vowel in Russian because, as you could hear, the sound kind of changes in the beginning, ya, and then lands on the vowel a if you keep holding it, ya. Here's a good example. If you think of it as a ya in English, that's kind of how you would pronounce it, as in the word yacht.
And as we add it into our chart, we're adding it in the right column, indicating that the consonant before it will be a soft consonant.
When you see the ya, if it comes after a consonant, then that will make that consonant soft or palatalized.
So as we add this to our chart, we add it in the right column. And so that means that the consonant before it is a palatalized consonant, but this letter is partners or buddies with the letter A in the left column. That indicates that the consonant before it was not palatalized, that it was a hard consonant, right?
Yes, that's right.
Sergey, I'm noticing in this lesson we have two words, one in which the letter ya is on a stressed syllable, but then another one in which it's on an unstressed syllable. Can you take us through those two words?
Sure. So the first word is the word apple in Russian, яблоко. And the second word is Yakutsk. So in the first word, I guess you elongate it a little bit, the ya, because it's at the beginning of the word and the stress falls on it, so it's яблоко. It's more pronounced. And in the second word, it's a little bit like the first syllable we were talking about in potato. It's a little bit shortened. It's Yakutsk.
Lucille, would you describe that as a reduced vowel?
I would, because when I listen to Sergey pronounce that, he's not saying Yakutsk. We don't hear that ah part of the vowel. It's reduced really to the Yakutsk. So when it changes that vowel quality, that's when we call it reduced.
So in this lesson, we're learning not only a new letter, we're also learning a valuable lesson about how vowel sounds can differ depending on whether they're on a stressed syllable or an unstressed syllable. It can really change the sound of the vowel, right?
Yes, it can definitely change the sound. If it's unstressed, the vowel will typically not say its name.
So in Russian, this letter will vary some. In our exercises, we're using it simply to sound like ya, and so we have a few words like yacht, maya, just for reading practice. But in actual Russian words, this will have a bit more of a nuanced variety of ways that it can sound.